Hello guys, welcome to Ophthalmology at a Glance, and here you have a long awaited topic, that is image based review of the keratoplasty. You were having some problem in how to assess the different kinds of keratoplasty from the images. Now first try to understand what are the two types of keratoplasty. On one hand I have penetrating keratoplasty, which involves the full thickness, whole of the cornea, and on other hand we have got lamellar keratoplasty where we are doing just the partial thickness. Now how many layers in cornea? We have got 6 layers in cornea, which you can easily remember with the help of A, B, C, D, E. We have got A, B, C, pre, D, D and E. Okay, so A is for anterior epithelium, then B for Bowman's membrane, C for the connective tissue stroma, pre-Descemet's membrane, Descemet's membrane and endothelium. Okay, now whenever we are involving just the anterior layers, the epithelium, the Bowman's membrane and the stroma, this will be your anterior lamellar keratoplasty. While when we are involving the posterior layers, this will be your posterior lamellar keratoplasty. So ALK and PLK first thing. Now second thing, when we have anterior lamellar keratoplasty, it can be divided into SALC or DELC. Means either it is superficial anterior lamellar or it is deep anterior lamellar, and they are with respect to the stroma. They will be called as superficial or deep with respect to the stroma. So the one which is involving less than half of the stroma is superficial, this is SALC, and one which is involving more than half of the stroma will be deep, that is your DELC. So that is simple. But when it comes to the posterior layers, the posterior lamellar keratoplasty, we have got two options. One is your D-sec and one is your D-mec. We have got D-sec and we have got D-mec. Now D-mec is pretty easy. If you see, it is already saying Descemet membrane. This is your Descemet membrane. This is endothelium keratoplasty. So you are simply giving two layers, Descemet membrane plus endothelium. So no confusion. But if you see that D-sec, now D-sec may, we have got Descemet word. So this means it involves a Descemet membrane, stripping, automated endothelium. So we have endothelium keratoplasty. Now what does this stripping means actually? Stripping means you are peeling off. So when I am peeling the Descemet membrane, some amount of stroma will also come. So this involves the stroma also, although it's not very much. So it is not an anterior lamellar keratoplasty, just small amount. So S for stripping, S for some and S for stroma, that is your D-sec. Now having cleared these concepts, let us try to see it in images. So take the first one. First I will be showing you the normal one. Now if you see the layers of the cornea, A, B, C, D, E, so how will you go with this? So this anteriormost will be your epithelium. Then can you see this blue? This is your Bowman's membrane. And the thickest is your stroma. This goes your stroma, right? And can you see this green one? This is your Descemet's membrane. And finally single layer of cells, E for endothelium. So you should be first able to identify which layers are involved. So you are clear with this. Now let us see the types. Okay. Now here they have shown you the graft. Can you see the extent of graft? First try to see this extent of graft here. Look at the layers which are involved. So this is affected here. This is involved. This is your epithelium. Then we have this one, Bowman's membrane, this stroma, this Descemet membrane and this endothelium. All the layers are involved. All means what? Penetrating keratoplasty. Look at the name. Yes, it is a penetrating keratoplasty. Not a problem. Now see this one. Okay. I am hiding the name. Let's try to identify. So here the graft is going up to the Descemet's membrane. It is not involving the Descemet's membrane. So what is not involved? So what is not involved? This Descent membrane and this endothelium not involved. So obviously it is not posterior lamella, it is anterior lamellar keratoplasty. Superficial or deep? It is involving whole of the stroma, so it is deep, and see here is its name, deep anterior lamellar keratoplasty. It's very, very simple. Now coming to the other one. Okay, let's see this. Now let us try to see what are the things which are involved here. So it is involving, can you see the graph here? This is involving what things? This is involving this green portion. This is your Descemet's membrane. It is involving this blue portion, endothelium. Plus, can you see this small part, this pink area is also involved, but a small one. So some amount of stroma. So what does this mean? Descemet's membrane stripping automated endothelial keratoplasty. That means it is DSEC, because if it is DMAC, it should not involve any part of the stroma, and here comes its name. Now coming to the other one. Now if you look here, this is the graft which is not having no pink area, so no stroma. Here you have no involvement of stroma, you have involvement of Descemet membrane as well as the endothelium. So this clearly is DMEG. This is your posterior lamellar keratoplasty, that is DMEG. So I hope now it's very, very clear. How will you identify from the images? First of all, the things should be clear in your mind, because if your theory is good, only then you would be able to comprehend with the images. A popular saying that your eye sees only what your mind knows. So now you will be able to correlate well your theory with the help of images. Do write in the comment section if you have any problem related to it. How do you like the video? Did you understand the comprehension of the various kinds of keratoplasty from the images? What other topics do you want me to make? And please do share the video as much as you can. Please subscribe to the channel to get all the latest information and the notification regarding the videos. We have so many things upcoming. I'm also planning the question discussion related to the important topics which are expected in upcoming NEET examination. So do share your feedbacks about that also. Thank you and happy ophthalmology.